Ready to start collaboration? Stay tuned and learn how to quick start your atlas. Use 2 fingers to pull up the display menu. Here you can adjust the display settings, sound or change source. For the interface of Atlas, you can select one of the themes or upload your own background. Press and hold the fast menu to set your preferred fast keys. Press the plus and select your favourite tools for easy navigation. Let's create. Customise the background of the whiteboard and choose the pen colour or thickness among many options. Select a tool, change colour and thickness, group items on the whiteboard, move them around freely, express your ideas. Use pixel or object arrays to modify. Object recognition enables you to write with the pen, move, pinch and zoom with your finger and erase with your fist. It allows you to have more people writing at the same time. Share your notes easily to any device with the QR code. Newline OPS PCs are fully compatible with any Windows-based software. Make annotations on pictures, videos, Microsoft Whiteboard or PowerPoint presentations using the Annotations tool or Windows Ink. Newline OPS PCs are fully compatible with any education and Windows-based software. Built-in microphone helps remote lessons, voice to text or voice recording and improves the distance learning experience. With Chromebox A10, you can easily access all your favourite apps and tools. Navigate and find all the resources that you need, such as videos, pictures, etc. Improve the communication and the way to collaborate with the students with Google Classroom. Download all your favourite apps directly from Google Play Store. Display the content with touch from other devices such as Windows laptop or Mac. Power up your lessons with the soundbar. That includes a 4K camera and a microphone array. Change your Atlas into an all-in-one video conferencing solution. You will be able to connect your Atlas to any external device that you need. With Newline's digital tools, you can share content wirelessly from other devices. Or to other devices. Share annotations before the end of the session by email, cloud, QR code or using an external drive.